What's up, guys? So lately the price of Bitcoin has been absolutely skyrocketing. Just broke past $13,000, which is insane. As well as the price going up, the profitability of mining Bitcoin has gone up a fair amount, especially for cloud mining contracts. And a lot of people want to get in on it and make profit while the difficulty is low at the moment and the price is so high. But the biggest cloud mining company, which is Genesis Mining, is actually out of stock of mining contracts. And the ones that they were selling just recently don't even start mining until next March. So a good alternative to Genesis Mining is Hashflare. Hashflare works a little bit differently to Genesis Mining, although I highly recommend using it so you can get profit out of Bitcoin being at such a high price and the mining being at a low difficulty right now. The differences is that, well, first off, the price on Hashflare is a lot lower than Genesis Mining, and so is the maintenance fee. It's a lot lower on Hashflare, although the contracts are only 1 year contracts, as opposed to Genesis Mining being open-ended contracts which last forever. So that's something to consider. But I would definitely recommend getting in on this because this is probably the cheapest cloud mining contracts you can get. And with it being so profitable right now, it's just worth doing. So I have about 30 terahashes. I got 20 terahashes yesterday and 10 terahashes just before. So this revenue forecast over here is based off 20 terahash. This revenue forecast is a bit off anyway. This doesn't take into account for any difficulty change. But if we see the price, what 30 terahash would be is about, it is 4,500 USD for 30 terahash. So we're gonna have a look at a calculator that takes into account for difficulty change. So this calculator takes into account for difficulty change as opposed to CoinWars' mining calculator, which a lot of YouTubers use, which doesn't take into account of any difficulty change at all. So here we've entered in 30 terahash, the current difficulty, block reward, current Bitcoin price, no power because we didn't pay power. It's about a 16% pool fee or maintenance fee, which is really low compared to Genesis Mining. Then the difficulty change, this really varies per month. This could be a lot different, but I showed it at 100. Then here are hardware costs. So this is what we spent on the contract for 30 terahash, and we get something around 2.5 months. That's really crazy return on investment, and that includes the difficulty change. So after 12 months, this is what we'll be looking at, be 11,500 USD, and this price is pure profit. It doesn't include the initial 4,500. So after 12 months, you would have your, well, after 2 months, you would have your 4,500 back, and then after that, you'll be profiting, and by the end of it, you'll have your 4,500 back plus 11,500, and that's just if you withdraw all the money and you don't reinvest anything. So Hashflare make it pretty easy to reinvest. All you do is press this button and you set it to reinvest in SHA-256, and every day you get a payout, it'll just automatically reinvest, and so it will just compound all your payments and you'll just be earning lots. I really highly recommend getting into this while it's so profitable. Like a 2.5 months return on investment is absolutely crazy. I really recommend picking up some hashing power and signing up to Hashflare if you haven't already. You can use the link in the description. I don't have a promo code for you guys to use though, just a affiliate link you guys can use. But yeah, I definitely recommend getting in on these mining contracts right now while they're so profitable. Yeah, anyway, thanks guys, peace.